So right now we are going to create a one Python function. Okay, Python function and Python function. So for the function definition, you need to use the keyword def. After that, what to do? We need to write the function name. So I'm going to add the function, add two numbers. So let me,
One
sorry, one,
and fun two.
1 plus
FUN
1.
one and
Okay, fun1 is the first function. So let me use add1. Okay, add1 or add anything, add. Okay, and we can use this is called parenthesis. Use the colon,
yes.
means double dot, and then press
So
enter.
should I do along with you the code?
That is very good if you can.
Okay, sir.
Okay, try this with the same. Or I have saved this video actually and upload this to the YouTube. Okay, so later on you can see also. Yesterday I have also upload this video. I can share the link also. Okay, every day
Okay,
whatever
sir.
the video class I have taken, I can upload this to the video. You can easily take it.
So what is the channel?
Channel is A to Z with Somik. Okay, A
Sir,
to
okay.
yes.
Sir, can I get my charger?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, after that, after the write the colon, so we need to press enter. As you can see, the cursor is blinking after a few space, and which is called indent. Now you can write down the statement what to do. Like suppose you can use print. So what you want to print? You want to print 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So now see, after 1 plus 1, if I press enter, now you can see the cursor is blinking just below the P.
Yes, sir.
So it means that the function is still working. And if you write something like print end function, simply for notification only, again I press enter, still it is after the just below the P. It means if you write something, it is still under the function. And if you wish to exit the function, you need to go at the left side. Now you can see the cursor is blinking at the very left. Okay.
Yes.
So it means if you write something from the very left, it means you can write something after the function. So now I'm going to call the function. How to call the function? Are you remember this?
No, sir.
How to call your maid? Suppose Ramu Kaka.
By the name.
By the name. So simply,
So
what is the
add,
function name? Add. Yes, very good. Add with the help of parentheses. Okay. Simple, done. Now your program is done, but you need to save this program. How to save? Control plus S is the shortcut key.
So we can go to file and
You can go to the file, and then there is the option save or save as, whatever you can choose. Let's try for save. And then there is a Python 300, whatever the version you are using. Under this folder, you can save. Like, what is the function name? Like suppose.
Sir, I don't have the folder.
When you save it, so by default it will be, you can save it anywhere, like desktop, my document, where, anywhere you can save it anywhere. Okay. Now let me save it in the this any file name will be saved, like add function. and I press save. I click on save. Now my function, my program is ready. Now the question is how to run this program. There's a run option, and you can see the run module like F5. Let's zoom it. You can see run module F5. Okay. So you
Okay.
just click on run module F5, and whenever the output will be there, the output is always in the interactive mode only. Output is always, you can see, in the interactive mode. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2.
2.
So you can see the
Sir,
output.
how can you run it again?
Again, okay, for this you need
No, sir,
to
how can you? I don't have a run button over here.
press F5 then.
F5.
Is it
Sir,
working?
no, sir.
Okay, so I hope you are using in different platform. That's why is it not
Sir,
working?
I have downloaded it from Microsoft Store.
Microsoft Store. What is the name of this interface?
So this is ideally shell 3.12.
So that is the same one I have used.
Sir, Python 3.12. Yes.
I know what is your interface. Ideally Shell 3 point something, na?
Yes, sir.
So it is same. So where you have written this? In the file, new file?
Sir, I have saved it. I have clicked the save button.
Save button. Now save it.
Saved it, sir.
You saved? Now can you see
Yes.
can you see the program right now?
Yes, sir.
Press F5 or go to you need to find out this one. Sorry. See, this is my program, okay? So I can see the run menu. So maybe if you are using also ideally, so you can also see the run menu. See, is it visible?
Sir, I can share my screen and show you.
You can share, yes. So
Sir, you are already sharing.
Multiple participants. Now you can share.
Can you see?
Yes, so yes, correct. Now your program is correct, but you have written in interactive mode, Ishan.
Sir, how do you close it?
No, go to file.
Yes, sir.
Go to file. Go to new file. New file. First one.
So, sir, close that one.
No need to close. Try to copy this. Copy done. Now go to file and new.
Sir, can you see it?
Yes, I can see. I can see the code. Go to file and new.
Sir, new again.
New file. Yes.
Sir, I have created new file.
No, you have done it. You have done in the interactive mode actually. Give me the option to handle this. Request remote control. Chalo, grant me the request.
Sir, I have already created a new file, but I am only sharing the Python screen. That is why I think you can't see. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, I have to stop and restart.
Why it is hang?
Sir, I think yes.
Wait.
Sir, 1 minute.
Don't do anything. Let me try. File. then new. New file is not working. I hope what.
Sir, it's working, sir. 1 minute, wait, sir. I have to restart it.
Okay.
Share screen. Sir, now you can.
Okay. Now go to file and then new. It is not a new file. It is interactive mode. New
Sir, you
file.
can't see this one.
This is the new file. Okay. Now click on the run.
Yes.
Click on run. Then yes, run module. Save it. Okay. It is asking for save. You can save with a name. Yes. Okay, done. Now
Yes.
see. Now see the answer. Understood?
Yes.
So you need to write down the code in the script mode. Okay. Script mode. If you see the three arrow over there, this one, 3 arrow, it
Yes.
means it is called interactive mode. And interactive mode is only for the beginners. And interactive mode is always you can see your answer in the interactive mode only. Okay. For the functions, loop, anything like list, anything, you have to start this with the help of script mode only.
Okay.
Understood? Now,
Yes.
now stop sharing. Let me share mine.
Yes.
Now this is called 1 plus 1. Now what happened? Now I'm going to modify this function like suppose I am creating a variable like variable a is equal to 1 and variable b is equal to 2 suppose. Okay, and I can use a plus b. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you think that what should be the what is the probability? What is the answer?
Sir, 1 plus 2, 3.
3. Yes, correct. So I'm going to run it. Let's see it is 3 or not. See, the answer is 3. Answer is 3.
Run.
है ना? Answer is 3.
Yes, sir. 3.
Okay. Still, this function is a type 1 function. Type 1 function means, okay, tell me this is user defined function or built-in function?
So this is user defined.
Yes, this is user defined function because the function name I have decided and what to do.
Sir, the values you have only given.
Yes. Okay. Now I can. Now there is a type 2 function. Type 2 means there is an argument but no return. Okay. Now how did you know that there is an argument or not? Okay. So if there is an argument, always you can see whenever you call the function, there must be a argument in this place like 1, 2. Suppose 10, 20. So this is your argument. So the first argument is 10 and comma, then second argument is 20. Now these are the arguments. So can you tell me how many arguments you can see in this add function?
2.
2. Very good. First argument is 10 and second argument is 2. Okay, how to separate 2 arguments? Which symbol I am using?
Comma.
Comma, very good. Okay. So right now I am using type 2 function. It is also mentioned in your
book. On the top after def you have the add, you also have to add 10 and 20.
Correct. I'm coming. So if you pass the argument but there is no return type, then this is called a type 2 function. Earlier it was type 1 function. Type 1 function means there is no argument and no return. It is called type 1 function. Type 2 function means there is an argument but no return. How do we know that there is no return? Because there is no return keyword. If there is a return keyword, it means it is a return type. Okay. So let's complete this function first. As you said, sir, you have to write down, like, I am going to change the variable x comma y. X comma y. Now x plus y. Now my program is ready. My program is ready. Now, as you see, when you call this function add, the first argument is 10, and when this function is defined as a x, the first argument is x. So we can easily get to know that x is equal to 10. Understood?
Yes.
So it means the second variable is y, or second argument is y. It means the value of y is 20. Means the copy of 10 go pass to x, and the copy of value 20 pass to y. And 30. The statement is called x plus y. It means 30. Now let me save, Control plus S, and go to run. Now see, answer is 30.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So which type of function is this? This is called type 2. And what is the feature of type 2 function?
Sir, type 2 functions have arguments but no returns.
Argument but no return. So how do you know that there is an argument over there? How to know?
So because we have, after add in the columns, we have variables written.
Under the parameter, you can see, under the parenthesis, you can see there are two values. And you also see when you define the function, you can see after the function name there are two values separated by comma, and there are two arguments. So this is very easy to know that if something is there under the parenthesis, it means that there is an argument. If there is two argument, it means it is separated by comma. Now suppose I can write z. So now tell me what, Now tell me what is the answer.
60.
60, very good. How many arguments are there?
3.
3, very good. What is the function name?
Add.
And what is the type of function?
So type 2.
Type 2. Is there any return in this function?
No, sir.
Which keyword is used to define the function?
Def.
Def. Is it required, this line? This one?
No, sir, it's not required.
It's not required. Why should I write this then?
Sir, to indicate that the function has ended.
Fine. Very good. Very nice, Ishan. 10 out of 10. Very nice. Okay. Now, so this is called function with argument. Okay. I am telling you one more thing, that suppose when I run this program with the help of F5, it will always use 60. ना? देखो 60 आंसर आ गया ये. अब इसको फिर से रन करता हूँ. देखो फिर से 60 आ गया. अब मैं इसको फिर से रन करता हूँ, फिर से 60 आ रहा है. Why always these numbers are 60?
Sir, because every time the function is repeated, every time the function is run, the function values will remain the same, and the function has ended and started again, so the last function will not be added to this one.
Correct. That's why the arguments are remain same, and it is called static. It's called static. Now we are going to take some initiative to taking inputs. Now I am going to do one program, and you will tell me that what should be the numbers, and as per your number, like calculator, as per the number it will be it will be the result. Okay, so now
Yes.
I am teaching you right now that how to take user input. How to take user input. I hope you remember last day that there is a one function which is called input.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to use this, like variable a is equal to input function, and it's very easy. Enter a number. Enter a number. B is equal to input. Enter a number. Let me use only 2.
Sir, you have to do x a plus b, not x plus y, or you have to do a y x is equal to input or y is equal to input.
Sorry, which one? Which line? This one? This line?
Sir, you have to put print a plus b, not x plus y.
No. Right now, see, there is one variable. It is not. This is not in function. I have taken one variable a and is equal to input function, enter a number. Okay. And one more thing I have to use, which is called int. Why int is required? Int means to convert the number in integer. Do you know what is the meaning of integer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so integer. So integer means whatever you have input a number, it will convert this to integer and it will go to a. Again, you will input a number,
Sir, but the value of x and y are not given. The value of a and b are given, no?
Yes, that is not at all issue. Why? Because I have passed a variable a and b, and value
Sir,
of a will be passed to x, and
Okay.
x is a new variable. If you write down a for your understanding, this is also okay, but मैंने जानबूझ के इसको a, x और y इसलिए छोड़ दिया क्योंकि तुम्हें ये समझ में आ सके कि जो वैल्यू यहाँ से पास होती है उसकी उस वैल्यू की कॉपी यहाँ पे रखे हुए वेरिएबल पे स्टोर होती है। तो मैंने जब a और b को पास किया तो a और b के वैल्यू की कॉपी x और y में चली गई। तो a की वैल्यू की कॉपी कहाँ चली गई? x में। b के वैल्यू की कॉपी कहाँ चली गई? y में। अब तुम सोचोगे सर यहाँ पे 4 वेरिएबल हो गया, आप a और b लीजिए तो 2 ही वेरिएबल में हो जाएगा। आंसर इज नो। अगर तुम यहाँ पर a और b लिखोगे तो ये दूसरे a और b हो जाएंगे।
यस,
ये दूसरा a और b हो जाएगा, दूसरी कॉपी हो जाएगी, तब भी तुम 4 वेरिएबल ही यूज कर रहे हो। तो इसलिए मैं समझाने के लिए तुमको अलग से वेरिएबल लिखा हूं यहाँ पे x और y। ठीक है, अब इस प्रोग्राम को रन करते हैं। सेव F5। ओके, यू कैन नॉट सी, आई होप। हाँ, क्या लिखा है? एंटर अ नंबर। चलो, टेल मी एनी नंबर।
25.
25। चलो, एंटर अनदर नंबर।
35.
55. Answer is it correct?
So 60.
Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Now I am going to run this program once again. Again it will ask you a number. Again it will ask you a number. Okay. Because of the large font, it is very difficult to see. चलो मैं फिर से रन करता हूँ। चलो एक बार फिर से बताओ। Any number?
Sir, 95.
95. Another number?
150.
150. Answer is 245.
245.
Now
yes,
tell me why last time what we have done, so answer remains same, but right now there is answer is different each and every time. Why this is happened?
Sir, answer is same because again we have not added anything and the values are
No,
What
why
was the question?
why the answer is
Question?
different this time?
Sir, because the last time the values were already put in before the function was started, and they will remain same until the coding is not changed. But in this function, the values have to be put in when the code is already running. So every time the code is run, you have to enter a value, and it can be changed every time.
And what do you think that which function is play a very important role for taking the input?
Sir, which function play, sir? A and B.
No, which function is play a very important role to take input?
Which function? Sir, input function.
Input function. What do you think that input function is user-defined function or predefined function?
So predefined.
Very good. I think int is also a function. So what do you think? Int is a predefined function or user-defined function?
So int is a user-defined.
Int is also predefined. Only user-defined function must be defined by programmer. And in this program, only add is the function which we have defined with the help of def keyword. तो जिसके आगे def keyword होगा वही user defined होगा. अब int के आगे तो def keyword दिख नहीं रहा है, तो वो built in हो गया या predefined हो गया. ठीक है? ओके. देखो यहाँ पर एक और predefined function है इस प्रोग्राम में, जरा ढूंढ के बताओ तो कौन सा है?
Predefined function.
built-in function.
सर इसमें predefined function जो है
कौन सा है?
सर print.
Very good. Print. So in this code there are three predefined function: print, int, and input, and only one user-defined function which is called add. Okay.
Add.
Now I am trying to take the return also. Okay. For the return, you need to use return, return, and after that, like suppose there is one variable. I'm not going to print over there. C is equal to x plus y, suppose, okay, or z is equal to x plus y. Okay. Return z. I have changed the definition. Now I am taking the input as an argument. I am taking the argument, add these two numbers, put this to the z variable, and return z. Okay. I am changing something in this also, like C is equal to add and print
is it
addition is and comma C. Okay, you think that why you have not used Z? Again, I'm telling you, this is completely different module. So whatever the variable you used, it is different, and these codes are different modules. Whatever the codes variable you used, it's totally different. You can use x y z यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी, but तब भी कॉपी अलग अलग होगा. अब इस प्रोग्राम को रिटर्न करके देखते हैं कि आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं. Let me run. Enter a number, suppose 2, again a number 3, addition is 5. Is it correct?
Sir, yes.
Okay, so this is a function, this is a Python program of a function which is having arguments as well as return. So which type of function is this?
So this is a type 3 function.
Type 3 function.